In this video, we are looking at motion of two connected bodies by a string. Now, this is a pulley and it is called a frictionless pulley, which means the tension here and the tension here are equal. Now, for the body connected here, the first diagram shows that for this body there is a weight, which we call M2G. There is a tension which must be greater than M2G, and that is T. Why is the tension greater than M2G? Is that the body will accelerate this direction, assuming M1 is greater than M2. So the tension must be greater than this. As a result of that, T minus M2G must equal to M2A, and we call this equation 1. Or instead of calling it equation 1, let me make T the subject of the formula. So T is equal to M2A plus M2A plus M2G, and I will call this equation 1. For the second part, the first diagram shows that M1G must be greater than tension. Why? Because the motion is directed downward. So we have M1G minus T is equal to M1A. So making T the subject of the formula, I have M1G minus M1A is equal to T, and I call this equation 2. So connecting both equation 1 and 2, since T is the same thing as T here, we can then have M1G minus M1A is equal to M2A plus M2G. So from here, I can collect the like terms. So what I do is that I bring M2G here. So I have M1G minus M2G is equal to M1A plus M2A. Alright, A is common here. Since A is common, I have A into bracket M1 plus M2. Since G is common here, I have M1 minus M2 into G. So what is the acceleration now? Acceleration is equal to M1 minus M2 into bracket G over M1 plus M2. So when you are given a question of this nature, you don't need to rack your brain. Just have this formula in your memory and then substitute the values given to you. Let's assume M2 is equal to 2 and M1 is equal to 3. Then you can solve this problem. How do you go about that to find your A? You write the formula. A is equal to M1 minus M2 into G over M1 plus M2. This gives me, what is M1 in kilogram? M1 is 3, M2 is 2. So I have G is 10, and I have M1 plus M2, that is 3 plus 2. So what do I have? A is equal to 1 times 10 over 5. So what do I have? I have 10 over 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 2. A is equal to 2 meter per seconds squared. Thank you so much for watching my video. The video is directly from Tutopedia Tutorial Center. We are located at Agbo, very close to University of Ibadan. Thank you so much.